Hello everyone, welcome to Done Investments Analysis video. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share it with your friends and take this analysis only for educational purpose. ये कोई भी तरीके की trading tip या investing tip नहीं है. So mark these pointers that might help you to trade tomorrow based on the technical analysis. So quickly starting by Nifty. Nifty ने 1 hour में एक clear indication दिया है about this forming this symmetrical triangle pattern. ये जो gap डाउन हुआ था मार्केट ने उसको तकरीबन कवर अप किया ओनली हार्डली 10 पॉइंट लेफ्ट फ्रॉम फ्राइडे क्लोजिंग so currently what we can say nifty is in a tight range wherein we can see the lower highs and higher lows symmetrical triangle pattern and currently if nifty by any chance opens gap up and travels here it might face a resistance nifty को एक resistance level पे touch up हो सकता है if Nifty gap up open होती है and then start trading towards the high side. अब वो resistance level है 17,355 up to 17,425. ये एक 70 points around का एक जो zone है that is a no trading zone and it can be a high profit booking zone from low to higher side traders. But currently sentiments इतने अच्छे नहीं है because market is basically confused between global sentiments and LIC IPO. What's my take on LIC IPO? That is a whole different story, but if you ask me, I'm not applying for it. मिलना तो दूर की बात है अगर अप्लाई कर भी दिया तो कौन सा मिलता है so kidding jokes apart if nifty starts trading below 16,900 then it has some unfinished business again ये एक तरीके की वेव इसको पूरी करनी पड़ेगी निफ्टी को 16,840 पे and any close below 16,840 further levels are marked 16,500 350 16,225 on the higher side if nifty gives any close above 17,400 then we are in for 100 to 300 points on the higher side the top being 18,000 psychological level so this is nifty 1 hour time frame analysis moving on bank nifty again showing some support some this area is considering or maybe becoming a formation of a demand area और सेम तरीके के चार्ट बैंक निफ्टी ने भी दिखाए now what has happened bank nifty gap down open हुई and then it has somewhat given a close on the higher side covering this gap now what we can say is इसका resistance ये trend line है if 36,700 is taken out on bank nifty then what we can see is possibly that we have a higher side game pending for bank nifty about around this gap but 37,000 to 37,130 can act as a stiff resistance because bank nifty has shown a profit booking whenever it is going closer to 37,000 and 37,125 125 सस्टेन हो जाता है ऑन द हायर साइड बैंक निफ्टी में 37,125 के ऊपर अगर प्राइस सस्टेन हो जाता है then don't look anywhere else we are here for this gap covering trade up to 37,470 this is as per my analysis but what I can say if by any chance market opens gap up only then it is moving higher otherwise the sentiments will continue which is like sell on rise sentiments as of now and buy on dips but वो buy on dips और sell on rise के बीच का जो point है उसमें इंट्राडे स्कैल्प्स हो सकते हैं इफ़ यू आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड इनफ उसी के बीच में मार्केट स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग भी कर रहा है और छोटे टारगेट्स के साथ में ट्रेडर्स को स्कैल्प अपॉर्चुनिटी भी दे रहा है सो वी कैन कंप्लेन आइदर साइड बट if by any chance bank nifty starts trading below 35,500 odd levels then more 500 points to up to 1000 points on the downside can be quick as fire I mean quick as spreading fire alright 35,500 के नीचे अगर बैंक निफ्टी सस्टेन हो जाती है for 30 minutes we can see some more selling pressure coming in and that pressure would take bank nifty to 35,000 odd level below that 34,500 or 700 can be a possibility on intraday basis only. Try to be intraday trader at least for next 1 to 2 weeks more. Moving on, stock specific. SBI Life trading on the lower end of the day. So 1 hour chart में what we have seen, this is the resistance, this is the support. ये इसी range के बीच में trade कर रहा है. Now don't be a FOMO trader. Wait for either of the levels to be taken out. I will go personally short on SBI Life below 1055, maintaining 20 points as a stop loss as per my risk appetite. Quantity will be decided as per capital. I will go long on SBI Life on above 1140. इसके बीच में donation है. Donation means stop loss hunting. If you are a FOMO trader, you can enter. If you are more expert, you can enter. Otherwise, if you ask me personally, I would wait for 1055 to be taken out or 1140 to be taken out. People can save this, take a screenshot, ये video save कर दो, download कर दो, but or mark this level and note it down in your book. Keep a radar, keep the stocks on in your radar. As and when these levels are executed or triggered, either side, take a trade, book intraday profit and be out. So these are the levels for SBI marked below 1055, 1020 and 1000 level odd figures psychological level, and above 1140 we can see 1165 to 1185. Can be a little push intraday basis, closing आएगी नहीं आएगी पता नहीं, but can be a push toward 1200 above 1140 only. Polycap again, we can see a descending type of pattern forming with trend line and support area below 2450. 15 minutes में अगर पॉलीकैप सस्टेन देता है below 2450, then only we can enter a short trade with 1.5% stop loss as per price range, and then we can target for 2380 to 2350 odd levels trailing basis. ये 2380 के बाद में you should start trailing if you are an intraday trader. Safeguard your capital. ट्रेलिंग अगर अच्छे से नहीं आती, एक बात समझ लो, ट्रेड जब आपके फेवर में जाए स्टॉप लॉस को एटलीस्ट कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट रखो. दैट विल सेव अप योर कैपिटल. And if by any chance if we see such a moment, which I'm not sure of that it might come, if by any chance we see such a moment wherein we get a close about this trend line, एक candle एक close देती है about this trend line, then we are in for this two levels mark on the higher side. So basically if I have to trade SBI Life, which I won't, but above 24 2500 sustain. अगर 2500 SBI लाइफ, सॉरी पॉलीकैप, आई एम सो सॉरी पॉलीकैप, अगर पॉलीकैप स्टॉक 2500 के ऊपर रुक जाता है 15 to 30 मिनट्स के लिए, आई विल ट्रेड फॉर नेक्स्ट 50 to 100 पॉइंट्स, which I highly doubt, but I am looking for the downside, then I will only short below 2445 levels. पॉलीकैप अगर 5 to 15 minutes में sustain देता है below 2445, I will go in as a short trade on this particular uh, counter, and then would try to book 3 to 4% intraday basis only, because this will be quick. Then ये slow move नहीं करेगा, ये quick basis पे as an intraday scalp it will give you an opportunity to book and earn a decent gains. If you like this analysis, if you're new to the channel, I would again repeat, please do like and subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. Take all the necessary points mentioned here only and only for education purpose. This is not a trading or investing advice video. And also, if you're not following us on Telegram and Instagram, I have mentioned the link of both our accounts down in the description. Somewhere you will find it, and do follow us. Thank you so much.